It's a beautiful windy day. Just got this in. This is a 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD high country crew cab in the cherry red tint coat. This vehicle is absolutely gorgeous. Please stay tuned till the end. I will have the sticker, window sticker, at the end of the video. Super nice truck. This is the 6.6 diesel, Duramax diesel in the front. The front sensors and rear park assist sensors will be on a retrofit, so it will have those. Just right now it doesn't. Just check out these awesome lights. Got the nice running light, the LED running lights, and of course your headlamps below. Gorgeous truck. This one is equipped with the 20-inch wheels on here. Actually, you know what? I made a mistake. These are the 17-inch wheels. Typically on these high countries, we order them with the 20s, even on the dualies. Of course, nice thing about the HD trucks, you do have the step in the back for the bed. This one does have the high country stamping on the bed liner, as well as your gooseneck and fifth wheel prep package on here in the back. Give you those dually wheels. Corner step rear bumper. This does have the multi-flex tailgate. So you have two top buttons. This button will lower this part. You can kind of see the seam right here, and this will lower the whole thing. This does have an 8-foot box. There is the power outlet and the lights in the back. And then you got a 4-pin connection and 7 inside the bed, which is great. This piece is the handle to get inside. To do that, you'll hit that top button, which I'm trying to do this without seeing it. Hold on. There you go. So it's kind of hard to do with one hand. It does have the ratings on there for your maximum weight. So that's like 375 pounds. Nice little step there. In this setup, you can use it to haul something real long that's beyond 8 feet. In this setting, you can use it for like a little workstation. And then you have this little handle here you can pull up, same way as the way it was set up earlier. That allows you to do your 2-tier loading and carry something up top. Alright, going around there in the back, of course your diesels, you can always tell they got the bigger exhaust outlet. And we'll go to the very back of this truck. Gorgeous collar. See what you're thinking in the comments about this collar. Very beautiful. Here's your interior on this model. It does have the two-tone interior. The saddle used to be called saddle. I think they call it something else. If you know what it's called, please leave in the comments below. Of course, storage area is here. You can lift this bad boy up. You have a little storage area here. And let's see if these outboard seats are, yay, look at that. These outside seats are heated on this model. You do have a power outlet there, charging ports right here, USB-C, USB. There you go. Go up to the front. There's a good view of the door. Really pretty. Alrighty. Of course, power seats on both sides on the high country. Just got a good view of that interior. Very nice. Dual glove box at the top and the bottom. Of course, this is called a reducer. That reduces the hitch size. Armrest there. We'll lift that up. There's your SD card, USB-C, USB and auxiliary, and of course a nice little light inside. This one is equipped with the wireless charger. If you have a phone that has the wireless charging element in the back, it'll do that. So I'm going to go from the top to the bottom. Of course, you can see this is the 8-inch display. It does have quite a bit of features. This is a cool feature called your camera. This vehicle is equipped with surround vision, so these are all your views that you have. I've got several videos on my channel that go over this feature in pretty good detail. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions on any of these features I went over so far. Of course, your volume control and your power button is here. Your home button is also on the screen, so is your music, all those things you quickly go to. You can move these around. Used to be able to anyway. I must have changed it. Oh well. Going down below, you got your dual climate control here. Your exhaust brake is here. This is your lane departure warning on button. Anything orange on a Chevy is on. That's all that means. Except on the ventilated seats, it's blue. So it's all the views on that. Heated seats are here. Pretty nice, and it's on both sides. This your park assist. I was going over that earlier. Does have a retrofit. It will have that. Just don't have it yet. All this button does is release the tailgate, the hazard lights, your traction control, StabiliTrak system off button. This will go off standard when you do four-wheel low. This is your plug-in button for this plug, and the one in the bed I showed earlier. This button's cool. It takes the windows all down, all four windows at the same time, instead of you having to push them all down. Your integrated trailer brake controller, and of course more charging ports. Went over those. There's another one. Up on the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, your forward collision alert. You can adjust how far back you are from another vehicle. I'd leave it on 3. Your heated steering wheel. This is your driver information center right there, which displays this middle section. You'll also, on that driver information center, you'll have things show up that are bad. That's pretty cool. That tire pressure monitor system actually has your all 6 tires on there. Make sure when you rotate them, you have the dealer reset your tire monitors, your DEF fluid, all that good stuff. And then you can change your channels. Your navigation menu shows up there. It's pretty great. You can go in here and customize what all shows up. And all I'm doing is pushing this in to make it choose. I'll show, kind of zoom out, see what I'm doing here. Hey, I'm coordinated today. Alrighty, cool. Pretty cool feature. Alright. So on the back of the steering wheel, you have your radio controls, and your volume's actually behind here. You can also see you do have a gear selector. It's called a range selector. And how that works is if I'm in drive or L down here, see it says L, I can push this button, the plus, all the way up to 10, and it'll control how far the shifting points go up. That's good utilization when you're towing. You can cut down some of the extra gears you don't need. Over on this side, you have your tow haul mode, which is there. And then you have this setting called normal or off-road mode. You'll mostly be in normal mode on these vehicles. It does have the 2-speed transfer case with your 4-low. Fog light button is here. That's your bed light here. Your instrument panel dimmer. Your puddle lamps. And of course, if you leave your headlights on auto, you have a feature on here called IntelliBeams, and that works automatically with it. Pretty cool. Over on the bottom, you have your parking brake. Of course, the high countries have the Bose stereo on them usually. These have the cool mirrors that will extend out for camper. The bottom mirror is convex. It's not power, but the top mirror is. You also have blind zone alert in there. You can see the blind zone alert right there. And as promised, I do have the window sticker for this vehicle. Just shows you all the great things this vehicle has. I'm going to go over the owner benefits here and pause your screen if you want to read this. All your safety systems on this vehicle. Your performance and mechanical. Your connectivity and technology system. And it's actually continued over here. That shows you all the great stuff you get on this high country. the interior information, as well as your exterior information right here. And your standard price before you put the extras on there. There's all your extras. Pretty cool. There's the retrofit we was talking about earlier. And of course your MSRP. These are getting up there. And as you can see, the HD trucks do not get tested by the EPA just because they're so darn heavy. You can go to buywithbenny.com to get this vehicle. I'll put the link in the comments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I do not foresee this vehicle being here much longer. There's another view of it. Thanks for watching. You have a great day, okay?